I'm back. Just as I promised, I have my second unboxing today. And if you are a subscriber here on my channel and you communicate with me in my communication tab, community tab here on YouTube, or if you're a patron of mine, you know exactly what shoes that I have. So one of my members from Patreon, hi Jason, he had gifted me these shoes and I'm going to try them on for you. The Devious brand, and it is the Dagger-12. So these are extremely high heels, extremely high. I think maybe one of the highest heels that I'm gonna try. So let's get into it. I'm a high heel girl. I think I can manage it, but we'll see. And I think I'm gonna attempt to take them for a walk outside too after I try them on, so. Wow, that was a workout. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of sweating. These right here are definitely the highest shoes that I've ever worn, I think, in my entire life. Or maybe not the highest shoes, but it has the highest pitch or steepest pitch that I've ever worn in my entire life. And just like the xoxo, some people find it extremely challenging to walk in the xoxo, but for me, they're good. And I did practice in them a lot in my house before I was able to comfortably wear them outside. So this video is the first time I've tried on these heels right here, and I do love a challenge. I hope that I did well. You tell me how you think I did in the heels. They were a little bit challenging. I have to learn how to position my foot and walk, properly in the heels. I've told you in other videos, every heel usually requires a specific walk based on how your feet are, and I'm still trying to figure that out with this. So it was kind of me practicing, wearing these heels. So I did just wear them inside the house, as you saw. I gave you a lot of angles. I hope you really enjoyed seeing them on, and I hope you enjoy the picture of me wearing them with this outfit in my community tab and on my Instagram. Follow me there if you haven't already. Alright, so I'm going to keep practicing in these heels in my house, and hopefully I'll get a feel of them, and you'll definitely see them again in another video here, and hopefully I'll be able to take them out for a nice little walk. But I'm actually loving these because it gives me a little bit of a challenge, something to work on, around the house, So give this video a like if you liked the heels, if you liked the pantyhose, the stockings, because you guys are, 1 minute you don't want stockings, 1 minute you do want stockings. I mean, please, I have stockings in some videos and no stockings in other videos. There's something for everybody, okay? So I try my best here. Alright, so if you want to support and donate to the channel, I do have all the links below. You can join me in my exclusive community on Patreon, or you can also donate to the channel by, say, a one-time donation through my PayPal. You can find my Instagram links, and also you can take a look on my website. I think I'm going to start revamping my website and doing something with it, within the next couple months. So thank you so much for watching this video, and look forward to seeing more videos from me soon. And hey, check out these little boxes right here. There's a playlist of all of my high heel videos and also the newest video that I posted. And subscribe and check out my Patreon. Alright, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching, and as always, engage with me in the comment section because I love engaging with you. Peace. See you in the next video.